Hi guys, this is Dr. Suguna. I am going to discuss Python regular expressions in this video. So what is regular expressions? It is a powerful tool for string manipulation operations. Regular expression means it is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. It is used to search a pattern from the text. It could be code or it could be searching a pattern in the files, log or a spreadsheets. Python has a built-in package which is called as RE, that is standing for regular expression. Now, these regular expression will have some special characters which will have some special meaning in the regular expression. For example, the period, that is the dot, is refers to any characters, and it can have some backslash which is a special character followed by some character which will have some specified meaning, and it could have meta characters. This meta characters means it is representing a group of characters. That group of characters will be enclosed in square bracket or a curly braces, and it can have quantifiers, which means it will have some characters like star and the plus, which denotes how many times a character or a group should be matched. Suppose if you are matching a specific character, then you can enclose in the regular expression that specified character in a double quote. And if you want to searching for digits, then we can use this backslash d, and this is a meta character to match any digit. Similarly, if you are matching a white space, we will be using backslash s. And it uses anchors such as whether the search is has to be taken care of the beginning or at the end. So we use, suppose you want to match the beginning of a line or a string, then we use this cap symbol or a caret symbol. Then if you want to match a particular characters or a sequence of characters at the end of a line or a string, we will be using this dollar symbol. And if you are using groups of characters in a pattern, then we'll be using enclosing with the parenthesis. And alteration can be performed by using a pipe symbol or a vertical bar. It uses quantifiers. The meaning is the star, that is the asterisk, means that it matches 0 or more occurrences of the preceding character or a group. Plus means matches 1 or more occurrences of the preceding character or a group. And question mark means that it matches 0 or 1 occurrence of the preceding character of the group. Say for example, you are given a problem, search the string to see if it starts with D and ends with Spain. You may have a text, and in that text you need to identify the start word is D and end word is Spain. So you need to import this regular expression module, that is import RE. Then you specify the text in which the pattern has to be searched. So the text is the rain in Spain. Now I want to search the pattern. So I need to define that pattern, that is your regular expression, using the method search. Okay, so I'll be calling that method by re.search. And this method has two parameters. One parameter is your regular expression and the second parameter is the text. So the first one is regular expression. How do I write the regular expression? I know that if I want to search this particular string in the beginning, I'll be using that symbol, that is caret symbol or a cap symbol. So put the cap symbol and write the D. So this means that that particular text should starts with D, followed by any characters. After that it could have any characters, but it should end with Spain. So how do I represent? You write Spain and put a dollar symbol indicating that the last word should be Spain. In between it could be any character. So that is why dot. Dot means any character. And star means any character that it could have 0 or more characters. So it can have any number of characters It may or may not have in between some characters, or it can have any number of characters. So that is dot star. And the second one is your text. Now, you have to write the functions that can be used with your regular expression. So we have find all. Find all means it will return a list containing all the matches. Search means, as we have seen in the previous example, you can search for a particular pattern in a given text. Split means it will also return a list where the string has been split into each match. And you have substitute, that is sub, it will replace one or more matches with a string. So we'll see an example for everything. So as I told you, meta characters means it is a group of characters, so it can be enclosed in square bracket. So if you want to specify a matching of a set of characters, then I can mention as A to M, which means that it refers to any character between A and M. And this backslash is representing a sequence. Backslash D, I told you that matching with any digit. And any character means that dot. Then starting, as I told you, cap symbol, and ending with a word that is indicated by dollar, and zero or more occurrences means star, and one or more occurrences means plus. Okay. So see the difference. So if here I have put dot star and here I have put dot plus, which means that between this HE and O, you can have 0 or more characters. Okay. So which means it can have a string HEO. That is also correct. Or it can have some more characters in between this. Okay. Here one or more means that after HE, there should be one character. Any one character is a must. After that, it is 0. Okay. 0 or 1 occurrences means it means that it should have it it may not have any character, or it can have only one character. Then you can also use this braces, which means that how many number of characters you can have. Okay, so we have specified dot 2, which means that 2 characters should be there. It can be any character. So that's what it means. And this vertical bar says that either this word or this word. Similarly, we have some special sequences. Let me just go through quickly. So this is backslash A is similar to this cap symbol, and where the specified characters are at the beginning or end of a word. Okay, so in the word, this particular character can be at the beginning or at the end, which means we can use this backslash B. And that particular characters are not present, but not in, they are present, but not in the beginning and the end. So this is a reverse of this one. So this is searching a specified characters at the beginning or at the end of a word. This is searching a specified characters which may not be at the beginning or the end of the word. And this R is specifying a raw string. Okay. Then this backslash D means the string containing digit, and backslash capital D means the string does not contain the digits. And slash S is containing white space character. If I put capital S, that means that it does not contain white space character. And dash slash W means word characters. So what do you mean by word characters? Means the characters could be from A to Z, any alphabetic character, digits, and it can have underscore. No other characters are permitted. That is what we call it as a word character. And backslash W means it will return a match where the string does not have any word characters. Okay, so similarly at the end of the string you should have means you can use backslash Z instead of dollar. So these are some of the sequences we have. As I told you, this square brackets means that it is returning a match with any one of the specified characters. Okay. So you can have, see this cap symbol within this square bracket has different meaning. That means it is returning a match for any character except A or N. So this symbol within this square bracket has different meaning. Similarly, here you can specify any 2-digit numbers which could be represented as 0 to 5 and 0 to 9, which means it is referring to two-digit numbers starting from 00 to 59. So these are some of the special characters we have. So we'll look into the details of the functions like match, search, and what is the difference between matching and the searching, and search and replace. So find all function will return a list containing all the matches. So it will print a list of all the matches. Say for example, I'm giving a text like the rain in Spain, and I'm applying the method find all. So how do I apply? You have to import this RE, and along with this RE you have to specify the method. This find all will also have two arguments. First argument will be the pattern, search pattern, and the second argument will be the text. So the first argument is AI and the second argument is the TXT. Okay, so it will return all the matches which is there, okay, in the given text. So where do you find this AI? So AI is in rain and AI is in Spain. Okay, so it has to give a list which will return both the values. So the output will be AI and AI. Okay, so this is finding how many times this particular thing is appearing. So when it goes and search with rain, it is finding first AI. This pattern is there in this text. So it will return write the output as AI. And again, the second time it is seeing the same pattern in this Spain word. So it is returning that AI. Okay, so it's find all is nothing but how many times this particular search pattern is appearing in your string. So it won't give the number, it will give you that corresponding search pattern appearing in the text. Then the search function. So the problem is search for the first white space character in the string. Okay, so where the first white space means that space bar is appearing in the given string. So my regular expression will be backslash yes, and the text will be my second argument, and I am searching for this function. Okay, now uh, I will be returning this x will return that position, and I will be calling that to locate that position. I will be using this x dot start. Okay, so your output will be the white space character is located in position x dot start means, see here it starts with 0, so the index will be 0, so 0 1 2 3, so this is the position in which your white space character is present. Next is comes split function. It will return a list where the string has been split at each match. So you have to tell a split character. Okay, but depending on which character the text has to be split. So we are going to give the white space character as a splitting argument. So how do I do? I'll be using re.split and I am giving the white space character comma text. So what it mean is in the given text it will be split. Split is based on your white space character. So you have here one split, here one split, here one split. And your output will have all the strings, that is the words uh, which will be considered as a split words. Okay, now substitute function, that is sub function, will replace the matches with the text of your choice. Now replace each white space character with the number 9. So you are given the text, and this sub function will have three parameters. One is which one should be replaced, okay, and what is to be replaced, and the third one will be the text. Okay, so I am going to replace white space character with 9. So you have to print those text. So all your white space character will be replaced with 9. So your output you will be getting like this. So you have match function, you have search function, matching versus searching we'll see, and search and replace. So search and replace is nothing but your sub function. See, this match method is used to check for a match only at the beginning of the string. Whatever the pattern you give, it will search at the beginning of the string. See, this example shows you this match, how this match is working. Import RE, and you are given a string, she sells seashells on the seashore. So the pattern which you are going to search is she. And I am applying RE dot match. Since this match search, everything will be using only two arguments. The first one will be the pattern and the second one will be the search string. The search string is here given as the string. Okay. The pattern is already defined in a different variable, pattern 1. So that is why we are using that variable, comma, this string. If there is a match, it will print match found. Otherwise, it will say that pattern is not present in the string. So whatever the pattern you give, it will just search for the beginning only. So since there is this pattern is available at the beginning, it will be saying that the match is found. Now search function. Search function will also have the same thing, and it will also tell if that particular pattern is present in your string, it will return the first occurrence. Okay. So here we have seen like re dot search of pattern 1 comma string. So pattern found, match found, or it is not present in the string, means it is just searching. If it is present in the first word, then it will return as a match. Else it will search in the entire text, and if anywhere it is present, means it will also say the match is found. So the difference between match and the search is match will check for a match only at the beginning of the string. Search will check the match anywhere in the string. So similarly, that search and replace, we have seen this sub pattern, that is substitute. As I told you, you have to give three things. One is what is to be replaced, to which it is to be replaced, and the string. And there is one more parameter as max. If you don't specify, it will replace all the pattern with this replacement pattern. Otherwise, you can also mention how many pattern should be replaced. Okay. So this example you can see. See, now we have find a match of the given string. Again, the same string is given. She sells seashells on the seashore. And the pattern we are going to search is C. And it should be replaced with ocean. Okay. Now I am applying this sub function where I will be specifying this pattern and this replacement and the string comma 1. 1 means I am just telling that only once it should be replaced. See, now you are finding this SEA, that is C, in two places. But what it will, since I have mentioned as 1, it will replace only one pattern with the replacement string. If I don't give anything, then it will replace all the patterns. Okay, all the patterns with a replacement string. But since I have mentioned as 1, it will replace only this one. Okay, so your output will be she sells ocean shells on the seashore. Okay. Now here are some more examples for find all. So there is one string given. Now what I have told is it should start, beginning should be a word character, and it can have one or more word characters. Okay. So one or more word characters means these are the word characters, but this space is not a word character. Okay. So it will just search for all the word characters, and when it encounters this space character, it will stop. Okay. So your output will be guru. And this means that if I apply for this, the first one is not the word character. Okay. So it's not a word character, and the second is also a not word character. So since we have put a cap symbol, it is searching in the beginning. If it is not a word character, then it will return an empty string. Now here you can see that the starting should be a word character. Okay. And there is no other symbol, that is plus or star is given, which means that it is searching for a only single word character. So single word character means the first one is a single word character, so it will print G. Okay. And similarly, see this example, it is a word character. Okay. And it is given like re dot find all. Okay. Find all, and there is no symbol like beginning, that is cap symbol is not there. Okay. So find all backslash w means it will search for all the word characters found in the string. Okay. All the word characters found in the string. So that is why it will just print all the word characters. So word characters are all are word characters. Okay. See the difference. If I here I didn't mention that cap symbol. Cap symbol means it will search for anywhere in the string. And this is an example for a sub. So you are given this string and you have to replace this hyphen into hash. That's it. So you can replace that this hyphen comma hash comma your string is phone number. That's it. Okay. So after replacement you will have all these things. So that's about regular expression. And you can see some applications of regular expression. It will be used for web scraping. It has to extract the data from the websites where you can apply this regular expression. And it is used for data cleaning, for removing unwanted characters or patterns from the text. You can use this. And for text processing also, this regular expressions are applicable. Okay, thank you. Subscribe to my channel to watch more videos.